Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how you will be able to run your C and C++ program in the VS Code. So now if you see on the screen, I have run C++. Now I am running C now C++. It will take the input how many line I want to print. So I will run and I will say 5 lines of star I want to print, and it will print that. So for that I'm following my GitHub repository, so you will find everything here, so don't worry about it. So let's get started.
Now, I'm opening my terminal. I'll type code. To open VS Code. Alternatively, you can find and open VS Code directly from your applications. Here, I'll create a new file named test. I'll save it in the Downloads folder. Within Downloads, I have a folder named vscode, and I'll save the file there. You'll be prompted to install extensions. Click on that, and it will install the C++ extension for VS Code. Now, I'll copy the C code from my GitHub repository, which you can also directly copy and paste into your VS Code. The installation of the C++ extension might take a moment. Next, we need to download the Code Runner extension. You can simply copy it from GitHub and paste it in. Click on Install. It won't take long, unlike the C++ extension. Now, we have both the Code Runner and C++ extensions installed. For the third setting, go to the Settings tab and type Run Code in. You'll need to check the Code Runner, Run in Terminal option. Once that's done, it's very easy to run any C or C++ code. Let's open the location where I have the C code, which is in the Downloads folder. Do you remember where we saved it? In the vscode folder. Once opened, I'll select the test C file. We've already copied and pasted the code, which takes input from the user and prints stars. When I run it, it'll ask for a number. I'll type 5, and it will print 5 lines. And there you have it. We've completed running our C++ code. These steps are straightforward and easy to follow.